welcome back to Lesson 2. In this video, you will learn how to memorize Chinese characters and how to write a legible version in the correct stroke order. If you haven't watched Lesson 1, please take some time to go through it. It helps you to have a better understanding of the basic strokes and simple characters. In this class, we will continue learning other basic strokes. The first one is 横折, horizontal turning. It starts by writing a horizontal rightward stroke, then turn downwards with a vertical stroke. For example, the part highlighted in red for 口 and 日. The second stroke is 竖折, vertical turning. It starts by doing a vertical stroke and turn right with a horizontal stroke. For example, the part highlighted in red for 山 and 出. The third one is 竖钩, the vertical hook. It starts by writing a vertical stroke with a hook at the end. For example, the part highlighted in red for 丁 and 小. From this slide onwards, we will learn 5 Chinese characters in Lesson 2. 口 means mouth. It starts by doing a vertical stroke on the left, then doing a 横折. At the end, we close it with a horizontal stroke. 横 见 means watching with eyes open. The first stroke is a vertical stroke, 竖. Then doing a 横折. Here we need to make sure that 2 vertical strokes are in the same length. Then we write a left falling from the middle of the character and finish with a vertical curved hook. 山 means mountain. It starts with a vertical stroke in the middle of the character, which needs to be the longest stroke, and we continue writing with 竖折. Lastly, we finish off with a 竖 on the right. 小 means small. It starts with a 竖钩, then a 撇 on the left, and a 点 on the right. 不 is negative adverb. It starts from the top with a 横. Then we write a 撇 below the 横. Then a 竖 in the middle. Lastly, finishing it with a 点 on the right. Thank you for watching. If you have already enrolled our courses at Chinese Studio, please download the Chinese writing sheets from your learning portal. It comes with grid, and you can follow the correct stroke order to learn all the characters covered in this lesson. Hope this video can deepen your understanding of these Chinese characters. See you! 再见!